So guys, hello guys, this is a new trick to add your CV to your LinkedIn profile. So you can go to the feature and then add. Just you have to add a link. I have already uploaded my CV in the Google Drive and just share that file, and then you have to delete this initials from view and then just add your this is your CV. You can add any type of description if you want. I don't want to add some description. I already added into my about section, and just save. That's it. It will be showing in your featured option, okay, with your details as well. Thank you so much guys.